Hello, friends. Good day to you all in your respective places across the world. I welcome you all to this channel. This is Lasogenic Bistock. In this channel, I review online investment platform and I share with you some ways whereby you can make money for yourself online. Okay, in this video, I will be showing you what next to do concerning the Paws airdrop. As we all know that Paws airdrop they were unlike the all other crypto projects that is out there, in the sense that the tax to be done is being dropped occasionally, is not always there, is not dropped on daily basis. Okay, so that is the reason why most people they are going to miss out concerning the tax that needs to be done on Pause. So for that reason, I am making this video, and I will be updating you every time there is a new tax to be done on Pause airdrop. So right here, as you can see, for you to start the task, every task on Pause, you need to go to the end segment. Right here, in the home segment, we have the leaders, we have the friends, and we have the end. So all you just need to do is to click on end segment. So when you click on end segment, we have another three sub segments or three subsets. We have the limited, we have the in-game, and we have the partners. So these are the repository of the care of the task. That is, these are the tasks that needs to do. So the newest task on in Pause is the X dash at got proceed. So this is the task that we are to do right now. And another thing concerning this is that there is always a time frame for every task on Pause airdrop. Right now we have 5 days, 35 minutes, 35 hours. Okay, sorry, we have 5 hours, 35 minutes, and some seconds to go. So right now, I will click on go so that I can do my task and get my reward. Okay, just once. Just once. Sorry, let me go back to the tax page. It's like I'm not fully directed to the page to subscribe. Sorry, to follow them. Let me start all over again. So this is Pause airdrop page. Okay, it's now loading. Clinic Pause. Okay, I click on N, then limited, then go. Sorry for the noise below. Okay, right now I'm on my X page. Okay, X page. I'm not sure if it's being directed to the page, but at least I know I've done the task. And X. Let me go back. So within some minutes, the status it will surely change to claim. After you have done the task, the status will change to claim. So then you can claim the reward, and it will be added to your balance automatically. So that's how it's being done. So you can just try now. Ensure to do the task right now because we have some hours to go. We have few hours to go. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for now. If you have any question, let me know through the comment section of the video. Or you can also chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to message you as soon as possible. All right, till next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now. I love you all.